Follow these steps to protect and move fragile pictures and mirrors. Here's what you'll need. To start, measure your art in mirrors and get heavy-duty boxes that are slightly larger. Pack smaller framed items together in one moving box. Place an X on the glass with tape to prevent shattering. Tape a slightly larger piece of cardboard on top of the glass and pad with bubble wrap. Wrap with packing paper that is 2 times the size of the frame. Wrap large and irregularly shaped art in bubble wrap or moving blankets. Add packing paper to the bottom of the box. Slide the object vertically into the box and pack with paper. Tape shut and reinforce corners with extra packing tape. Label the glass side of the box and mark fragile. Load the picture and mirror boxes upright into a vehicle. Slide them between heavy objects such as sofas or bookcases. Good luck with the move, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.